Alright, today on this old nitro boat, we're going to install my homemade triple shot aluminum transducer. I've painted it black so it's not such a glaring, shiny aluminum piece in the water. And here's my triple shot transducer. So let's start getting it assembled. I'm going to put a little marine bond right back here, squeeze it in. So I'm going to get started with that. Let's see. Alright, a product I bought for my boat a while back. It's a JB Weld product. This will patch chips in the bottom of the keel of the hull, and it's sandable. It really bonds tight. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to peel off a bit of it as described. You roll it into a putty, and then I'm going to smear it on back here. So when I put this together, it's going to bond in the back end. The front's going to obviously have the mounting bolt. So once I get that on there and bonded, and that's half the reason why this back here wasn't painted a whole lot. I figured, you know what, don't get a lot of paint down there where I want it to bond. I'd like to have it closer to the virgin aluminum. So yeah, let's get it bonded and get it ready for mount. Alright, so now I've got it mounted. You can see the marine bond I put back here. I rolled it into a paste. Stuff sets up pretty fast, so you just want to get it really ready and then just squeeze it together. And then up here, of course, it's mounted, it's rigid, everything's on the factory bolt. You can see the cord nicely goes up and around, stays inside of everything. A little slack I can pull out of it, comes down here, and it's going to come out this side grommet, and then all this is going to get sandwiched when it goes on the mount. So let's get it on the trolling motor. Alright, here we are at the trolling motor. As you can see, the first thing I have to do is get off my hook 2-4 GPS skimmer. Little split bracket here, no longer going to be needed. I may keep it for something, maybe hook this on my kayak on a PVC down post or something. That may be very convenient. Put the 4 GPS on my kayak with a small emergency light, 12 volt 7 milliamp hour battery, so, or 7 amp hour battery I should say, not milliamp. But yeah, let's get that off. Let's get the triple shot mounted. Okay, I have my skimmer off. Of course, I'm just laying it up in there because I'm not peeling all the wire out yet. But let's go ahead and get my transducer bracket and transducer mounted. As you can see, the way mine's designed, both of my clamps are going to be in front of the shaft, I believe. So with that being said, I should be able to just slide this right over. All right, there it is. My homemade triple shot transducer mount. Just like I said in earlier videos, that the extra material, I slotted it so it'll key slot into the keel, which gives the back end some rigidity. Come around here, got a little rubber grommet in here protecting the cable. Lowrance put that cable dead on center. I don't know what anybody else can do to not make that a bumper. So that's my cable protector right there by insetting it the way I did. And of course the cable wraps up around. It uses the original little cable stay, just like it did on the original bracket. Goes around, finds its way back down in the channel, follows the channel and comes out here. As you can see, this grommet right here isn't going to go anywhere. It's pinched between the transducer and motor. So yeah, in a nutshell, she isn't going anywhere. And it's not really that protrusive. It's not going to change 4 inches, 3 inches of where I may go as far as forward travel. So I'm not worried about it. Plus, I've improv'd a bumper. I mean, that thing hits there, that hits back here. Please, that thing's going to be perfect. The little keel back here gives it some protection. There's nothing about this I'm not pleased with. I think it turned out great for a homemade $15 plus clamps. They came to about $8. They're stainless steel, but that's it. Can't wait to try it out. Thanks for viewing. Check out my page on YouTube. Be sure to like and subscribe. Find me at Green Assassin Fishing Team on Instagram. All lowercase, one word. Thank you.